Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to speed your mouse up. Right here is pretty slow. You know, that's about the fastest I can go with this. Some people want it faster, some people want it slower. It really doesn't matter to me, but this is fine for me, or I can go faster. But let me show you how I can speed the arrow on the mouse. Go to System Preferences, go to Trackpad, and down here you see it says slow to fast. Well, if you move it over to fast, stop it there, and notice how much faster it goes now. You can't even see it go so fast. So that's how you speed the arrow up. If you want to slow it back down, go back to System Preferences, go back to Trackpad, and slow it down. Just move the cursor over more to the middle, and you're back to a little slower now, where you can see that's the fastest you can go. So that's how you control the speed of the arrow for the mouse. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I have a lot of stuff on MacBook. And if you want to comment. You got a question, you got a complaint, let me know. Thank you.